YouTubers? JJ the Trucker coming to you from Maryland, Baltimore area. It's been interesting. It really has been interesting. So last I left, we were talking about the load that I was going to get. I did a quick update. Did get another load. I've gotten another load since then. Another load since then. It is, in fact, let me grab my stuff here just to kind of fill you in. So we were talking about that $4,000 load I got. Yep, wrapped that one up. Had another, and I think I did do the update on the other load. That was about $1.30 per mile, per actual mile, which is pretty good. You know, not shabby, you know, but still on the same paycheck. And I was like, okay, that'll probably be it for the week. That's going to be a great paycheck. Nope, I wasn't even on my way. I hadn't even left to go make the delivery. I did the pickup, went right to bed. You know, at the premise they had overnight parking. So hadn't even left for the delivery yet. Still had an 8-hour drive, and boom, here comes another load. Like, man, all right, let's take a look at this one. It's on the same paycheck again, and it was $2.82 a mile. $2.82 per actual mile. Rang up at $3.62 a mile with Prime doing their miles, but Prime does their miles city center to city center. You know, it wasn't a whole lot of miles. You know, 169 miles is what they rated it at. It was actually 217 miles. You know, but that's all right. $2.82 a mile. Me complain? No. Especially right now. I'm like, all right, let's go. Let's do it. The downside was it was an overnight delivery. It was one of those, I had to pick it up that same, so I made my delivery and then had to go and pick that load up the same night, and then drive overnight to deliver the following morning. But it was a quick little load, not a big deal. I was already kind of on that overnight schedule anyway, you know, from having that other delivery. So not a big deal. So then I make that delivery and I call my dispatcher. I'm like, hey, should I stay overnight? Should I be going to days? You know, what should I do? I need to know, you know, if I should stay up or should I go to bed or, you know, sleep in? What should I do? He goes, don't really know yet. Things are still kind of iffy out there, but, you know, I'll try and get you back on days. I'm like, all right, no problem. So I'm sleeping. A couple hours later, I'm woken up because I got another load. And this load, $2.56 per actual mile. Only a 2-day kind of load, you know, a quick drop. It's going on the new paycheck. So it's the beginning of the new paycheck, almost $1,900 worth. So I'm like, all right, it's a good start to the week right there. Let's do it. So nailed that, got that one taken care of today. And as I'm sitting at the receiver, I'm keeping my dispatcher notified all the time of what's going on. All right, I've arrived. Okay, I've docked. Okay, I have gotten the green light and I am going to check out right now. And so he goes, all right, boom, sends me another one. I haven't even checked out yet, but he knows I'm getting ready to check out. And this one was one of those where there was very little time in between. I had enough time to clean out the trailer, quickly do my paperwork, and boom, go. It was about an hour away to the O1. This is a 2-stop delivery. One is only about an hour away tomorrow morning. That's where I'm at right now. So I'll deliver that tomorrow morning, and then the next delivery, the last delivery, is it's far away. It's far away. This one, $1.46 per actual mile. So not bad. It's a multi-day load. It's good, $2,800. So again, there's, you know, between those two loads, that's a full paycheck right there. With still some opportunity to maybe get something else, and I'm going to be down in an area that I think is pretty good. It's kind of hard to tell right now. Normally a good area. I'm not saying, you know, some specifics right now, because I can definitely say, finally, I'm delivering medical supplies. Yes, not medicines or anything like that, but medical supplies. I don't know what they are. You know, on the bill of lading, it's just a bunch of numbers. So I don't know. I know it's not medicine. You know, those they treat a lot differently, but yeah, some type of medical supplies, and I'm making 2 deliveries to some healthcare centers. So, yay! Finally, after doing all this, you know, the most essential run I had before this was delivering beer to Alabama, which is pretty essential. Let's face it. But now I'm actually getting some real medical supplies. So I feel good about that. I feel good that I'm still, you know, I'm out here helping out, helping America be America strong. Which, by the way, if you saw the president's task force conference that they do, he was talking about the having a whole bunch of air shows with the Blue Angels and the Thunderbirds. Love them both. Thunderbirds better, my opinion. And he's like, yeah, we're going to call it Operation America Strong. I'm like, yeah! I doubt he got that from me, but but that's pretty cool. I like that. So yeah, looking forward to that. And I'd love to go to one of those air shows. I love air shows, always have. Yeah, I'd love to do something like that. Anyways, let's get to the real topic. I know you guys have been wanting to hear about my load updates and all that stuff. No, I'm sure you guys have, especially right now. But the real topic. So I'm heading out, and this was earlier today. It was a light rain. It's been raining all day, and 2 incidents right in front of me, like right in front of me. I just can't get away from these things, but fortunately, I'm not a part of them. I'm an innocent bystander on all these things so far. Thank goodness. Crossing my fingers. Hopefully, I don't end up like Lyle and have 2 things back to back. You know, poor Lyle. It's No Hipping Trucking and Transport. Go check out his channel. Yeah, 2 things. So let's get right on into it. I'm gonna actually flip this camera around here and show you on my TV from my computer screen what happened on both of these incidents. Man, unfreaking believable. I'm just glad again I wasn't a part of it. Just an innocent bystander. So yeah, without further ado, let's check those out. All right, so here we are approaching 83 South, and you know I'm gonna be going straight over here on 695 West. No problem there. And look what happens. Check this out. So this raindrop right here is kind of going to block your view a little bit. That raindrop right there. Oh, but I can see it. I can see it. There's a car slowing way down. I'm thinking, oh man, he's probably needing to get on 83 South or whatever, and he's, got the traffic. And some people just like to panic and stop in the middle of traffic until it's clear. They don't care about what's behind them, and I'm thinking that's what's going on. I've already got my flashers on and everything because we're going so freaking slow. I'm like, come on, man. Make your move. Speed up. There's still plenty of room. Come on. Nope. He comes to a stop. His flashers finally come on. I'm like, oh, crap. Something happened to his car. He ain't moving. Now I got to get out of this lane somehow. What am I going to do? All right. Well, I see a truck coming up over here on my left-hand side. Maybe if I start moving, he'll know that I need to get over. I got my blinker on now. You might be able to see right in there. He'll flash me over. Boom, there you go. Flashing me over. Thank you. Woo. There we go. And move on over. Use my thank you lights. I don't get to use those very often being in a Prime truck, but I use my thank you lights and get on over. And alright, disaster avoided. Didn't rear end nobody. Everything was good. Plenty of room. Driving nice and safe because I'm a Prime driver. And on my way. Now check what happens after this. This is only a few miles up the road. Alright. And watch what happens here. So we're just going along. It's still kind of a light rain. Picked up a little bit. I want you to pay attention to the guy coming on the on-ramp. So we got the off-ramp coming up, but boom. Can't see him right here, but he's right there. Watch this guy. See him? All right, he's coming a little too fast. Oh no! Man, look at that. Again, again, right in front of me. Fortunately, it slowed way down, and here, let's see that again. There he is, right there. You can see him right there. Boom. Watch what happens. He's just going too fast, and around that corner, loses control. Boom! That guy didn't even know what was going on. He got the pit maneuver on him. Slammed right into the guardrail. I hope everybody's all right. But man, again, needing to use those flashers right away. Whoo-wee! I tell you, when stuff like that happens, it kind of takes your breath away and gets that heart beating again real fast, and you know, it's my cardio for the day, I guess. You know, but again, fortunately, I've been driving, really safe, obviously, prime driver, new driver too. So I'm just constantly keeping an eye on what's going on, and I'm seeing all that happen. I'm seeing this guy. I didn't see him coming up the on-ramp. I didn't see him until his taillights were where they shouldn't have been. I'm like, okay, that don't look right. And then boom, he hit the guy next to him, the guy in the slow lane. I'm like, here we go again. Hit them brakes, turn on them flashers. Whew. All right. Anyway, that's about it. Just be safe out there. Practice social distancing with your cars too. Give your cars plenty of space. And you can see, obviously, you give space like I did to that first guy, and the guy behind him did to him. So, no accident there. And the other one was just, traveling too fast for the conditions, which don't want to be doing that. Anyway, that's it for me. Peace out, everybody. As always, thumbs up. Hit that. Come on, scroll. You made it this far. Might as well do it. Just scroll. Hit that thumb. Hit the thumbs over here. Hit that subscribe button over here if you haven't already. I put a lot of variety out there. And as always, thank you. I appreciate it. Y'all take care. Have a good one. Bye.